Patalo fatu I lau mai oanga Samoa ene nei tu lau le aso. Io paia whale tala le lei, io mamalu whale tunu u tainane o mamalu whale malo. A le nei wha manuianga he wha singo tonu lava I le nei whala puputonga po le nei company fau ua whatuina e tau o le ALIA tours. Ona ua iai le wha moe latou te tāpena ina tulanga uma mo wha moenga o tangata mai moa. Ma tangata fia whata whao de lalolangi atoa. Ai meise ai e fito I tonu la lato o nanga I le nuupa ia Ierusalema po Israelu. Verne ia vano tāua mo le tuaimo mo ngā lofa a unei, la audia le mali atoa, le watea po la tai fosi, o le ministao whatoanga ma whai ngā whaiva e mo moli atuai wha manuianga I la o tau tau mo whainga. O Ierusalema, po le nuupa ia o Israelu, o le nuu o le atua, mao I e tau nuu ma I ai tuli ingo le lalolangi I le tala whasolopito. Ma o te matua I o lango ina la o tau tau mo whainga. Ina ia manuia, ma maua I lato uma o eo la malanga siasi ma malanga mai moa I le nuupa ia. Wha matalanga uma ma mai moanga ese o lo tusia uma I le tusi pa ia. E wha mautu ina ai lo tātou taritonunga, ai maise lo tātou whatuatua. I le tau langa ma le whaolatanga na saunia e Yesu Keriso mo tātou. Le auto sila umai vaenga ese o le nuupa ia Ierusalema. E pei ona o moli mawina ina ua o wa siasi fo iai I le tausanga. Ta si vaiva ma le tausanga luafe. Whamanui atu le tau mawhainga a I lato uma o e o la atau aveina, ma puleina ma whaafoeina le ALIA tours, ina ia manuia la o tau tau mawhainga. Whaamoi le atua, ma I o tau manatua, o lo o iai le whengainga Samoa, ma Ierusalema le nupa ia. Whengainga le atua o te whaamanuia, ia I lato o e whaamanuia I lo nu. Mai o te whaamalaia fo ia I lato o e whetu I lo nu. Ierusalema I o I mata o le atua I le lalolangi nei. O le nuu fola ina na fola I le atua. Mai a apera amo se ia tau nuu le nuu o le atua. Ina ua malanga I lato na whaatau nuu ina le malanga I kanana. Ia manuia lo tau whaamoe ALIA tours. Ma ia alofangia le atua ia whaatau nuu fuafanga uma. Wa utou tāpena ngaina I le nei au nanga tāua. Whamanuia le atua, soifua mai manuia. Greetings and talofa to you all, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I wish to convey my sincerely appreciation and my blessing to the ALIA tours for such a great initiative to start this tour company to accommodate all the people that wish to visit the Holy Land of Jerusalem in Israel. Jerusalem in Israel is the land of God on earth. That is where all the history is written and all the history will revive in future when Jesus, our Savior, will come back. I wish to congratulate the ALIA tours and the people involved, the management, the administrators, and wish you the very best for all the plans and preparation that will guide and look after each and everyone that will wish to travel to Jerusalem. I have been witnesses myself in 1999 and 2000 year when I visit Jerusalem. It's unbelievable. It's heaven on earth, where all the sites, the scriptures that is written in the Bible and the history and the present and the future, this is the land of promise that God has been offering to us. And it brings back all the strengthening of our hearts and our soul and our faith in Christian in this world where we're living in. I wish you the very best, ALIA tours, and my only advice is to trust the Lord with all the plans that we are just about to deliver for all the people that we wish to travel to the Holy Land. God bless you all. God bless.
To all our friends in New Zealand, Australia, and the islands, I have good news for you. ALIA Tours is open in your region, headed by Timo Williams. The whole idea is to bring Christian groups from your region, churches, leaders, worship leaders to come here to the land of the Bible, to be encouraged, to walk where things really happen, to taste and to touch the miracle that God has done with the people of Israel. I want to encourage you to be in touch with ALIA Tours so they can organize your next tour to the land of the Bible. And I hope, like we say in Hebrew, Bashana Haba B'Yerushalayim. See you next year in Jerusalem. Thank you, Timo, for all your hard work. To you guys, let us come up to the house of the Lord in Jerusalem.
Shalom to the beautiful people of Samoa. My name is David 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗡𝗏, and I'm a tour guide here in Israel. I'm in the Valley of Jezreel right now on Mount Carmel. And it's been a pleasure working several times already with Brother Timo. And I look forward to work again with him and the beautiful groups that he brings. Really nice people that are a blessing to us, to this country. And I have a wonderful time going through the country and sharing and learning about all the different important things that happened over here and being part of the amazing groups that he organizes. So I just want to bless Timo and send him my regards, and to tell everybody that is considering coming to the Holy Land, to tell you that Timo is really the best option. All the best.
I have taken 2 tours of Israel with Pastor Timo in 2013 and in 2016. What I like about the tours with Pastor Timo, the tours of Israel, is his intimate knowledge of the land of Israel, his passion for the people, and his passion for the land. He's a great Bible teacher, and he was able to explain clearly the events of the Bible that occurred at the various locations we visited. One of my favorite memorable experience of Israel was in Jerusalem, walking up the hill Via Dolorosa Street and imagining Jesus carrying the cross up the hill to be crucified. We were so emotional that day. It's beautiful. It was beautiful to experience Jerusalem that way. I highly recommend the tours of Israel with Pastor Timo, and I look forward to joining one of his tours in the near future.